Are you still actively trading or watching cryptos
Nah,
these days?
no. Right now I'm just strictly on gold.
Just gold. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. So I feel like everyone that tells me they just trade gold, I can put them all into a box. Like they have like maybe similar personality traits, right?
It's funny because from 2020 to 2022, I was just strictly GJ. But
But you
then
like those volatile pairs.
yeah, so I was just strictly GJ, but then sometimes I'll add in gold, then I'll take out gold and just focus back on GJ only,
Mm-hmm.
and then I'll stick to gold only for like a month, but then I'll just go right back to GJ. So one thing about me is I've traded multiple pairs at times. Like when I first started trading, I traded EU, GJ, GU, GA, XRP. I never really dabbled into like indices like US 30 or NAS, but I've traded like at the beginning. But now I realize that for my personally, I'd rather just focus on one.
Yeah.
Just focus on one
that's yeah, that's the thing. Like I'd say maybe there's two types of people, those who can easily trade 5-6 pairs at once. I'm not one of those people for sure.
Yeah.
You got to know who you are, right?
Yeah, that was me in the beginning because when you're first starting, you're hungry.
Yeah.
You want to trade everything.
Exactly.
Like,
You don't want to
do?
miss
How does
any
this work?
setup. Yeah.
So that's why I was like, bro, trading every single pair.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever came, I wanted to trade it. But that was like, that's how I started cutting back down to GJ, GU only, and GA. Then it was just GJ and GU. Then eventually just became GJ.
Yeah.
And now, like I said, just this whole year, what was it? From the beginning of January to about August was just strictly gold. Then I took some time off gold and went to GU.
Why was that?
Just because I wanted
Like it
to
was
like
messing
just
with your
slow it
head a
down.
little bit?
Yeah, it was slow messing with my head because you know how gold is very volatile.
Yeah, dude, 100%.
So I just wanted like a little quick break. So I went to GU. I traded GU from about August to October. That's where I made the 30K was with GU.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
So what are your thoughts on EU? Why did you back away from EU? It's one of the popular pairs.
I don't know, it just never like caught my attention. And I know a lot of people traded too.
Mm-hmm.
But it was just never a pair that like I was
Too boring.
Yeah. And also a lot of people traded too. And I realized like when a lot of people trade a certain pair, this person does this and this, so it can mess up a lot with your analysis.
Yeah.
So I'd rather just, and I mean, I know a lot of people trade gold too, but I don't know, it takes like, gold is its own beast.
Yo, 100%. That's what I was going to ask. Like, what is the strategy? How do you, trading this gold, you're being consistent?
There's definitely a tough pair to trade, but I feel like the biggest thing is have a system, have your rules. Like for me, I only trade from 8:30 to like 1, and then I only limit myself at 2 trades per day.
Yeah.
And the rate, when I start messing up in trading, is when I'm breaking those rules. When I start going through losing streaks, where are the habits? I break my rule, take more than 2 trades. Because, trading is a very emotional thing.
Yeah.
So, bro, if you can't control your emotions, just that plan goes right out the window.
It's like when your rules is no more than 2 losses a day, and then you're on loss number 3, and then you just look at yourself and you just get that clarity. It's like, who am I?
Right?
Who took that trade? It wasn't me.
You take the 2 losses, and it's like it's still floating in that area. Like, because I trade supply and demand, so be trading around that area. You're like, all right, I got stopped out twice. But yo, this
and then you
third
take
one,
the same trade again,
this third
right?
one, and
Same
then keep
trade.
shooting down or keep shooting up. Nah, bro, one more. I have, especially with prop firms, you have the 5% for the day.
Yeah.
He's like, all right. And then when you get to that 4%, it's like, damn.
It's like, all right, now I gotta
Let me chill
stop. It's
out.
gonna get sketch now.
So that's why like it's good to have like those limits on yourself. And I know it's for me when I mess up and go through like a very bad losing streak is when I break those rules.
100%, yeah. That's like the only thing that leads to it. Yeah.
Yeah.
What would you say your win rate is about?
I don't really focus on win rate. I focus more on.
Do you know what it is though?
I have a low win rate, I'll say.
That's fine.
But I usually target like 1 to 5s.
Okay.
Yeah.
Every trade.
So I try to aim for once because I like with gold, I'd rather just have like a set lot size than
Set
trying to
risk.
because like I don't like to like because you're in the moment sometimes too.
You gotta just go.
So I like to look for trades like because with gold I'd like to keep my stop loss between 20-25 pips, which gives me like let's say for a 400K account, I throw a 20 lot and I lose. It goes 20 pips. That's 4K, which is a 1% of the account. So I just calculate it that way than having to, 18.88.
Yeah,
or like a
no,
17.
there's no time.
It's like, no, bro, I'd rather just have my set lot, my set pip count, and set the target for at least a 1 to 5.